Ginger essential oil is one of doTERRA's high impact oils. This means that where we source it from has the biggest impact on the most amount of people. We source it from where the plant actually thrives in the therapeutic properties that it can give to our bodies. We work with hundreds of small-scale farmers in Kenya, Madagascar, Tanzania, Honduras, and Vietnam to source this beautiful oil. Last recorded in 2022, the sourcing of this oil has impacted over 35,000 lives. Ginger is planted in the spring and harvested in the fall when it's fully mature. Once harvested, it's steam distilled from the rhizome or the rootstock of the plant. It takes between 1 to 2 pounds of ginger to make a 15 milliliter bottle of essential oil. That's about 250 drops. Most other companies distill their essential oil from a fully dried rhizome. doTERRA ginger essential oil is distilled freshly after harvest, which gives it a unique aroma and therapeutic properties. The unique chemistry of ginger helps to provide antioxidant support, cleansing, cellular support, and immune support. Sourcing these oils from these countries doesn't just bring them business, but it actually provides extra support for the community with our Healing Hands projects. In Kenya, they have completed multiple schools and water projects. In Madagascar, they have established a mobile health clinic, along with providing medical supplies and essential oils, along with the appropriate training on how to use them so that the doctor can visit throughout the communities in that area. doTERRA ginger oil is also included in half a dozen other doTERRA products and blends. Ginger is a wonderful support for the digestive system. So whether you're on a long car drive or you're wanting something warm and cozy, or you just are feeling like you need some extra support in the gut, this is a wonderful oil to use for all of those things. Personally, I find that when I blend ginger with citrus oils, it turns on my motivator and I get so much stuff done. Some other oils that it would blend well with would be vetiver, fennel, or cinnamon bark. If you're at a time in life where you're feeling super stuck or powerless or maybe a victim to circumstances, you might be surprised that by diffusing ginger essential oil, it will tap into your limbic brain to produce emotions that feel empowering, like you're a warrior that can take responsibility for your life and choose something different. From an astrology perspective, if you have a dominant Virgo energy in your birth chart, I'd highly recommend the use of ginger just because it's so supportive to the Virgo body zone of the digestive system. I consider ginger a sort of semi-hot or caustic oil. So when you use it topically, always dilute, especially for little children. I hope this gives you more purpose in the use of ginger essential oil on a regular basis.